Good girl. That was a good jump. Go on, girl, down there. How beautiful is that? A little girl just having fun. Come on, come to Dad. Come on. Oh, you're so awesome. Come on. Come. Oh, I'm so glad we went for a hike today. She's gonna go down the creek and get her a drink. Come on. She loves these trails. Come. She gets some momentum, Dad. All right.